In primetime news this evening, ride-sharing services continue to operate despite Transport Ministry's suggested ban. The Railway Corporation under fire for leasing lands for unauthorized commercial use. And later, a march for justice as man who chopped 3-year-old boy to death still not charged.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, for years there have been talks about closer ties between the Caribbean and Africa, countries in Africa generally, especially when it comes to trade. Well, the Afri-Exim Bank has an office in Barbados and they have lots of funds earmarked for works in the region. I'll give the details later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of Primetime Sports and it's football. Big story.
Thank you, Archie. Well, yes, the spotlight is on the Reggae Boys and they've begun their World Cup qualifying campaign for 2026 with victory over the Dom Rep at the National Stadium this afternoon. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Hope there are more victories to come, Archie. But anyway, a victory though, because it's wet, raining,
and cool.
Cool. I love that. Romain, what's the forecast for the rest of the week?
More of the same is expected tomorrow. We still have shower and thunderstorm activity in the forecast for much of the island on Friday. Similar conditions on Saturday, but especially across sections of the west.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking a sports question. What's your reaction to the Reggae Boys' performance in the opening CONCACAF World Cup qualifier?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.